In this very episode, I'm just going to walk you through the nitty-gritty on how to successfully add a shipping address on your Pinduoduo mobile app. So in this very episode, what I need to do is I'm going to take my smartphone and successfully add the address. So you have to work and stay glued to this very tutorial as I walk you through the step by step. So I pick up my smartphone, and what you need to do before you add the address, you need to get a shipping agent, an address from a shipping agent. If, for instance, you are not having a reliable shipping agent to use in your importation business, and check in the description of this very video as I'll leave a link to reliable shipping companies you can use to ship your goods. So I take my smartphone, and what I need to do is I go to my notepad, then I click on. So this is the address that I would like to add to the C address. I have already added another address, that's the A address. I want to add the C address. So in order for me to do that, what I need to do from here is type in, you need to work as I said earlier. So you need to do certain works. So I type in consignee name. So you type it in Chinese. You can use your Google Translator to do that. So I always like to put in MSGH, then I put into bracket my company's contact number. Then the next thing I need to do from here, where you need to type in the consignee name and all what have you on the Pinduoduo import app, it has a limit. So I have shortened it. Instead of typing the full thing, Money Small GH, I have shortened it to MSGH and into bracket my contact. So then under it, I come again and I type consignee number. So you can use your Google Translator to do that. You can translate and come and type in here. So the consignee number, the shipping address, it has the shipping address, the contact number of them. So you have to copy that one. In my case, for instance, here is it. I will copy that one and come and paste it here. So that is it, just as you can see it successfully. So the next thing is you type, I type consignee address. So the consignee address, the address that I am using, you can see it above that. Apart from the name, let me clear this from here. So it left with the consignee address. So let me copy all this. So I copied it and come and paste it here. Paste it here successfully. So I paste everything just as you can see. So what I need to do is to copy all this. So I have copied it. Then having copied all this, what I need to do from here is to go and open my Pinduoduo app. So let me go and locate my Pinduoduo. So this is my Pinduoduo mobile app. I open it. So this is the interface of the Pinduoduo import app. So you can see everything all by yourself. So in order for me to go and add the address onto my Pinduoduo import app, what I need to do right from here is to click on the avatar or the dashboard. Right? I click there. So from this very interface, just as you can see, what I need to click is the management address. So that is it, where it has been circled. So I click there. So you can see that we have Money Smile into bracket A. This basically means that I have previously added a shipping address, that is a shipping address, to the Pinduoduo import app. So for me to add an additional shipping address, which is the C address that I want to add, I click on where we see the plus with the red background that has been circled. So I click there. So it means we have to fill all these things. So this basically means that the address that I have copied, it will pop up here and it will automatically fill in the portions that I was supposed to have filled them manually. But sometimes because of language barrier, it will be very difficult to do something of such. So when you do it through this very medium, you see that it will populate just as you can see. So what I need to do from this very interface is to click on the Chinese character in red. So where it has circled, yes. So I just click on it. So you can see everything, or I am doing everything practically. So you can see. So I click here. So you can see that it has automatically filled everything for me. So now, mind you, where you see the MSGH, you can see that my contact is not there. So I have to type it there myself again. So you can see, why do I put my contact there? So that as soon as my shipping agent receives it, they will have my contact, so that upon arrival of my goods in my country, they can contact me and I can go and pick it up. Yes. So from this very interface, what I need to do from here is to click at the bottom part with the Chinese character in with a red background. So I click there, then it automatically fills. From this interface, what I need to do from here is to close this one from the very top where it has circled. I need to close it. So I click there. Yes. So you can see right from here that I have two shipping address. The very one on top is the air shipping address, and the very one down is my sea shipping address. You can add extra if you want. So folks, this is how we successfully add shipping address on the Pinduoduo import portal. If creating an account, or how to download the Pinduoduo import app is becoming a challenge for you, check in the description of this very video. I will leave a link to how you can step by step download and install the Pinduoduo import app onto your smartphone. In the description of this very video too, I have left a link. I've left a link to how you can successfully create an account on Pinduoduo. I have a lot of video links in the description of this very video. In my next episode, I'm going to walk you through understanding the interface of Pinduoduo, and how to place a successful order on Pinduoduo, how to track your goods on the Pinduoduo import portal. In this very year, my focus is to train people on how to sell like a pro, or how to sell like crazy. My next thing I would also like to do this very year is train people in vlogging, how to earn money through video content creation, and as well how to import like a pro, or how you can start your own importation business and make a living. Once again, I'm in the person of Efojimado. If you have been inspired by this very tutorial, then I'll plead with you to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated as and when I drop a new video. You can follow me on WhatsApp channel. You can follow me on Telegram. You can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and in my WhatsApp group, where every Fridays of every month or every week, I go live with my followers and I answer challenges they face as far as social media is concerned, or as far as streams of internet income is concerned. So folks, see you in my next episode.
Well, this is Morning Smart GH. I am going to do the unboxing of the electronic and gas cooker. So this side is electronic. This side is going to be for the gas. So the various accessories are also inside. They have to fit here. It came with a manual. Importation is the electric, and this side will be for the gas. In case where they've given light out, you can use the gas. When there is no gas, you can use the electric side. So folks, we really preach what we know about. So if you want to know the nitty-gritty of how to import successfully, how to run that lucrative business, look no further. Ask Money Smart GH, got you all covered.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just